We are proud today to develop a partnership with United Way, and we were able to set up the sign where our students can actually get their hands-on experience and be ready for the workforce as soon as they graduate.
My name is Javier Moya. I'm a senior in the PTech program. With this project, we get our hands-on experience and to help out the community.
And I am so grateful to Cigarroa High School and the PTech program for this project that they've worked on for us. They've put together a thermometer that we are going to use outside for the next, hopefully, 20 years. They're replacing one that has been here for 20 years, so I am so grateful. We've been looking for somebody to help us with this project, and they were so willing to help, and United Way and our board and agencies are extremely grateful for their support. Thank you, Cigarroa High School, for your wonderful support of United Way.